Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. My name is Carolyn, and today is What's for Supper Wednesday. Today we're going to be making some barbecue meatballs, and they come from this cookbook, Dining with Pioneers. We first saw this cookbook on Celebrating Appalachia channel. She has a great channel, and she also has two daughters that are twins, the Presley girls. They have a great channel too. It's on page 136 of this book. Looks easy. We're going to try it and see how we like it. You'll need 1.5 pounds of ground meat, 1 envelope of the onion soup mix, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, your favorite barbecue sauce, and 1/2 cup of milk. In a bowl, we're going to put the ground meat, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, the milk, and the onion soup mix. We're going to stir this all up. We're going to make some meatballs and some patties too, to just have on buns. I've got a full line pan. You don't have to put aluminum foil on it, but this will be easy cleanup if I do. Heat your oven to 350. It doesn't really say on the recipe, but we're going to start with 350 for 30 minutes. Now you just shape your meat into balls or patties. We're going to do some patties and some meatballs. And it looks like I'm going to need a bigger pan. Okay, let's try this again. Now we're just going to roll some meatballs. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes at 350. Okay, this took 30 minutes. Our burgers kind of turned into sliders. Now it says to drain the grease from the pan, put the meatballs in a fondue base or another type of container that you're keeping warm. Pour the barbecue sauce over them and let simmer. So I'm just going to put the meatballs in a pot and put the barbecue sauce and simmer them for a few minutes. And there you have it, barbecue meatballs and sliders. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll see you Friday. Come back and see us.